What's going on, everybody? How we doing out there? Hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Pandora, the postcard diva here. All right, it's Terrific Tuesday and we're back. If you haven't checked out my projects to see what I've got going on, what other programs I may be affiliated with, go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Right on the screen, or the link is in the description. All right, guys. Now, I want to give you guys an update. This is just a brief update. I made some notes from yesterday. Zoom that we had, right? The what's working now Monday Zoom, all right? That Home Business Academy has every Monday. But let's get into it, shall we? Before we do, let's go over the FTC disclaimer. Average affiliates can expect to earn $346 with this business. For full earnings disclosure, visit income.thehba.net. All right, to earn higher amounts, you must do the work, you must learn the skill, which they're going to train you on, and it takes commitment on your part to get the results. All right, that's it. All right, let's get that out the way. Now, on our Zoom last night, right, we have that every week. All right, they had an announcement of something new that I'm excited about, especially for my newbies, my non-technical people. All right, we're going to get into it, but so stay with me. If you want to check out the Home Business Academy, you can go to www.coffeeandcoins.info or that link in the description, getpaidfromhome.info. All right, you can get started here. A 10-year business. They've been around for 10 solid years. The same two owners. They're engaged with the community. They take recommendations from the community. They just been trying to make this program better and better and better. And I am still in awe of all the updates they've made to this program in a short period of time. I mean, it just keep adding more value. So I'm super impressed with that. So let's check this out first, all right? So our quote for today is, remember that your real wealth cannot be measured by what you have, but only by what you are. That's by Napoleon Hill. And this is one of the great things that we have in our personal development app that's called Let's Go in the Home Business Academy. You can get this app for $10. This is just one of the little features it has. We have these daily quotes that will come up when you log in. You can also add your own quotes into the system as well. All right. So that's the daily quote for me. Now let's get into this thing here. So we had our live mastermind yesterday, right? So if we click on live coaching. All right, and don't forget, you can tune into the Grow Rich Mastermind call every day, Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. These mastermind calls are really wonderful. You got to check them out. Inspiring and motivating. All right. So we had that last night. All right. And this is every Monday. All right. If you're new to the community, you can attend this, guys. This is for everybody. Get trained and get your questions answered live every Monday. All right. So the replay, let's see if the replay is on here. Let me see. I just want to see if it's in here.
Okay, we are live. Welcome everybody to another What's Working Now Mastermind. So I'm excited today to see everybody. If you're brand new today, go ahead.
I'm not sure if that's the new one been updated or not. But anyway, this is how you can check it out, though. I just wanted you to see that. So you click on live coaching, you go here, you click the replay. It's there. But anyway, we had it last night and they made an announcement. I'm excited to show this to you guys again, especially for my new folks. Now, yes, when you come in here, even as a brand new member, before this new update that they made, which is amazing, all right, before that is made, they had over here, when you come to the quick start, right, you come over here and it says start here, and they show you, how to set up your funnel and all that. But wouldn't you love it as a brand new person? How excited is this? You're brand new. You don't even have to set up a funnel. Okay, they have created what they're calling the turnkey system, where all the new folks can just jump in. They got a capture page ready for you. I'm looking at my notes. They have the sales page already ready for you. They give you where you can go to get your domain. I mean, it's all this right here. Boom, 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 boom. Done for you pages. The follow-up emails are ready to go. How about that? Now that is awesome. Cool or what, guys? You got to be excited about that, where you don't have to work, because I know that is a scary thing for people. They're like, oh my goodness, I got to set this up. Even though you have the step-by-step videos showing you how to do it, some people are still just terrified of, hey, they don't want to take the time to do it, right? So, HBA to the rescue once again. And so they decided, well, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and create a little turnkey system for all the newbies. So check it out. So right here, in here, okay, down here, where did it go? Where did I click it? Did I click it? Hold on. Let's see. My business, my links. Hold on, let me find it. Hold on. All right, here it is. So you sign up, right? I want to pull up something else. Hang on 1 second. All right, here we go. Got my spot. So you're brand new. You're an affiliate. Boom, you're ready to go. Well, what do I do now? All right, so you come in here. You're going to log in, get your email, check your email, right? Log into affiliate, click affiliate, and they got something special for all you brand new folks. I love it. Check it out. See right here, it says, your turnkey system is ready. Skip the tech, skip the setup. You don't need to set up anything. Like when I first got started, I didn't initially set up my capture page and everything, but I needed to do it. It's something you have to do because you need to start collecting your leads. That's building a business, okay? But you don't have to do that, guys. Isn't this amazing? Come here, click that affiliate link, come tab, right? Click that affiliate tab. Come here, it says, your turnkey system is ready. Skip the tech, skip the setup. Your capture page is live. Just add traffic. So all you got to do is the marketing to get people over to your page, which we all have to do that. But you don't have to worry about setting up any of that stuff. Wow. So I'm going to show you. So if you look here, look right here, it says your capture page link is ready. So my link is in there. Let's say if I'm new, right? Your link is here. Okay, all you gotta do is send traffic, right? But this is where your leads are gonna be too, because you're wondering, well, where is my leads gonna go? Once people opt in, they're gonna be right here. See, it says 0. They just launched this. Okay, they just launched it. But for a brand new person, your leads are gonna be right here, guys. All right, so this is the page. Let me show you. Cool stuff. Whoa, where did it go? Look at the page. Check it out. The highest paying residual program in the world unveils the turnkey residual income system where 80% of every dollar comes back to you. Get your complete business system. Free overview. All right. The new AI helps close sales. Try it for free on the next page. So you put in your first name, your email, right? This is what your prospects are going to do. This is the page you're going to promote. You're going to be getting traffic here. All right. Fewer customers, bigger checks, simple math. No tech skills required, no experience needed. All right. So your leads are going to go inside of your back office, pretty much. Okay. Then it says here 80% commissions, 5 minutes setup time, 10-year track record. This is your page. And they would have set it all up for you, encoded it to you. Is that crazy? I mean, companies don't do that. It's normally you have to set it up, right? They've done that for you. So this is the page you're going to use. It's going to be here in your back office. Your leads are going to be down here. This is where you're going to see your leads. So when folks opt in, they're going to go to the sales page that we have, right? This is a sales page. They're going to have it already ready for you. Folks opt in and they're going to go to this page. This is the new sales page. All right. And when the leads come in, they go in your back office. Then the company has also set up the follow-up emails. All right, so when folks opt into your page, the company is going to be sending those out for you, all with your links in it. Hello, somebody. I mean, that is awesome. I got to shout them out for that. That is awesome. Yes. But once again, HBA is doing some amazing things over here. I highly recommend you come check this out. This is a great way to start an online business where you're going to get the training, because that's what you're getting over here. This is just not another digital marketing opportunity. Over here, you're able to earn residual, right, by sharing tools that people can use, systems people can use, training everybody can use, right? That's what we're actually promoting over here. All right, and this is residual. You're going to earn weekly and monthly. They pay out every Thursday, and then the next month, when your customers pay their membership or subscription, you get paid again from them as long as they keep it. And guess what? People are keeping it because of all the value you're getting. All the value. I can't tell you how many things they've added since I've been in here. Okay. For the short time I've been in here, they've just added and added and added and added, and price has not changed. Commissions has not changed, okay? So, you're looking for a solid company. You're looking for real value. Here it is, HBA. I'm telling you, I'm excited about this for my newbies, okay? Because I know it can be challenging, even though they've got in here. You click here, start here, set everything up. Okay, we all had to go through this. The setup, the funnel, right? Over here, you set your funnel up, do all that. Now they've set it up for you. My goodness, all right? Amazing. So, just wanted to bring you guys that. Your new turnkey system ready to go for my newbies, for all the folks that sign up initially. Guys, you will have a page already ready for you. All right, so go check it out. Link is in the description. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Come here. Click right here. It says start your $25 digital business, right? And get started. You have nothing holding you back now. As far as I'm not technical, you don't even have to worry about that. You don't even have to press play. It's already set up for you. All right, the new turnkey residual income system is ready to roll. All right, so before you get out of here, do me a favor. Make sure you like the video, please, and thank you. And you smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. One more thing. In addition to this, I want to share something else with you that I'm using, right? On this page called My Lead Gen Secret. You can get 100 to 200 business opportunity leads in your inbox every day. I'm looking for my link right here. Where is it? Hold on. Hold on. So you may want to check this out as well. If you come to this page, coffeeandcoins.info, scroll all the way down, right? You'll see right here, it says free video reveals how people are getting 100 leads every day. These are business opportunity seekers. These are people that have raised their hand and said, hey, send me emails on different offers. I'm looking for a way to make money online as an affiliate marketer, right? You get these biz op leads. This company's been around since 2019. All right, so you don't need a website, you don't need paid traffic with this. This is an emailing platform. It's $1 a day. $1 a day for this done for you emailing platform, and you're gonna get 100 leads every day. So for 30 days, that's 3,000 people that you could email every day, right? Every day you get 100, 100, 100, 100. So let's click here. It says send me 100, right? So when you come here, you're going to see this page right here. It says join my leads gen secret. It's $1 a day, which is $30 a month. And it's going to be a one-time $30 setup fee. So today you would pay $60. And they're going to, this is immediately. As soon as you pay, you're going to get these leads in your back office. All right. And you can email these folks every day. Done for you platform. This is spam compliant. And then on top of that, everybody you refer, you get $5 a month. That's residual income as well. Okay. Then they also have a bonus. They pay a $100 bonus for every 5 customers that you get within a week's time. And they pay by check, PayPal, or Bitcoin. Okay. So another resource that I'm using, and I'm using this, and I'm sending out emails to these folks, and I'm promoting this program, the Home Business Academy. So it's a great way to get 100 leads every day that you can email to every day, guys. All right. So that link is also going to be in the description. All right. With that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.